I'm down with that. I like that.
We are going to just go with our libertarian over the phone because I can't seem to figure out the old Skype-a-rooney. And it sounds like I'm in a dentist office.
Stop calling it Skype-a-rooney. I will slap you with this
the water
clipboard.
or whatever. They have just drilled a hole in my head, and now they're flushing it out with the little water deal.
All your empty thoughts are pouring out.
That's right. All my empty thoughts are pouring out. We have on the telephone with us Christopher Clemens. Is that the name? Are you there?
Chris Clem.
Can you hear me?
That's what I called you.
Can you hear me?
You know, asking it in a weirder tone.
Do you care?
It's not. You're not gonna help. You know,
like the plasmatics.
It's not
Do
helping.
you hear me? I don't think he can hear us. We lost him.
Hence the static.
Okay. Well, we're gonna do this. We're gonna pull him back off of here. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Could you hear me when we were saying it earlier?
No, I did not.
No. Did you hear any static?
I wasn't hearing static.
Ah! Yes, he heard something. I don't know why I'm celebrating
why are you
static.
proud of that?
I don't know why I'm celebrating static. Oh my God, this show is a train wreck. Today, it's a train wreck. Yeah. David is so proud to be in the building. Well, let's do this. Let's see. We can't get you on the phone. We can't get you on the old Skype-a-rooney.
Stop going at that! Stop it! It's not fucking pasta. It's Skype.
It's not pasta.
You don't buy it from Kraft in a fucking blue box. Sorry, didn't mean
no. Oh, David's heard worse, believe me. He's been on this show a couple times in the past. He's got twerking stories. Do you have any twerking updates or anything?
No.
That's good.
Let's do this. I don't know. We may have to reschedule, Christopher, because if we can't pull you in on the Skype-a-rooney and can't pull you in on the phone, we might be screwed.
Well, I tell you what, I've got Skype on my iPad here. I can see if I can pop that up. It'll be kind of probably cracky.
I'm telling you, Jig, it's yours. It's
okay.
Your side of things.
Real quick.
I think it's our. I think somehow there's some sort of connection here or something.
I think you caught a sound loop, man. Like a glitch, like when a record scratches. It's the same sound over and over again. It's not like it's just weird static from a bad connection. I checked all these.
Can you unplug those and plug them back in?
There it is. Your main. It's your main.
Yeah.
Do you have another? Yeah, it's your main. Here, hold on.
We're gonna do this.
Put it on A. Nope, that's the same thing.
We're gonna put.
It's not your jack. Please stay tuned. We are very sorry for all the technical crap. We don't something we put up with every single day.
Yeah, that's something I really don't want to see right there.
Jiggy ass.
I mean,
It's your main, bro. That's what it is. Check it out. Watch. You ready?
Yep.
Do you have another? I put it in your second output. What about your mono out? Will that work?
Maybe.
Can you put it in the mono? An A? C?
Yes, but I for whatever reason, I can't
got it.
So.
We'll just do this. We'll just reschedule. We'll just do it that way. All right, brother.
I'm telling you, bro. I found it. Here, wait. That's your... I don't know what else to put it in. Your monos are doing the same shit. Look.
Nothing about sound.
Yeah, you wouldn't. So, stereo comes out of more than one speaker, and mono comes out of one speaker.
I'm getting this fuzz.
You need to turn your shit off and turn it back on.
There's no way, because my reboot.
I know, we're all lost.
We're all done. It's
We will be lost in eternity.
What's up?
Here, do you have another, hey, do you have another, Jig, do you have another adapter? You have another adapter? You are the most bare bones guy.
Because that is what I'm doing. What the hell is this?
It's because I'm switching his mains out. See, and it's still there. Grounded. That's what happens when it's not grounded. You're lucky we're not shocking the shit out of ourselves on your mic.
Yeah, that's probably true.
It sounds like it, because it's not like this, it's a repeating sound. It's not something that is like, the connection's not like...
I got half of mine to just reboot.
Yeah?
You should.
Yeah.
You have half a mind? That's fucking awesome. Half a mind, everybody.